Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a budget DIY video light using a simple lamp and a disposable bread pan. Stay tuned for more after this. Before we get into the video, be sure to check out the description box below. I have linked everything for you in case you want to do this project yourself. And if you have any questions, be sure to ask them in the comments below. So this is the end result that we want to see, and you're going to need some items in order to make this. So you'll need the following items. First will be the lamp, a disposable bread pan, a marker, some scissors, and a sharp knife. Then what you want to do is switch off the lamp, turn off the power, unplug the plug from the socket. Now approach the lamp. Remove the globe nice and carefully, holding at the base. You want to unscrew the nut that holds the lampshade in place. Once you have taken the nut off, you can now remove the lampshade. Now what you want to do is take your bread pan and take the nut from the light fitting, and you're going to just carefully trace out the circle from the inside of the nut. We are going to cut out this middle section. Take the knife and carefully pierce the bread tin from the center, remove it and do it again in a crisscross formation. If your knife sticks a little bit, give it a wiggle and it will remove easily. Now take your scissors and you want to cut just around the outside of the line in order for it to fit over the light fitting. Just remember to take note that the tin can be quite sharp, so please be careful while working with this. But once you've done that, you'll be left with this perfect little reflective lamp shade is what we're trying to go for. So this is what we'll have. What you now want to do is head over to your lamp, press it down firmly over the lamp fitting or light fitting. Put it in place, take your nut from the light fitting and you can now screw that back on. Make sure that you don't cross thread it. So just give it a few turns and turn it on. Right, now that our light reflector is in place, you can put the bulb back in, put the plug back into the socket, flick the switch, and admire your beautiful new budget DIY video light. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you thought it sucked, give it a thumbs down. But most of all, have a fantastic day. Cheers.